bench testing 1959-1960 Cadillac headlight switch. Serial number HS4242020. Rebuild and service available. Run up test. Switch insulated from ground. Parking light function. Head and tail light function. Dash light full on and dimmed. Dome courtesy light function. Using a digital volt ohm meter, we're going to do this first test, which is going to be short to ground. It's important that these terminals be insulated from the ground. This is where most situations happen, where fuses blow when these terminals are short of the ground. First terminal would be the battery. This would be the power from the battery to the chassis ground. So continuity to the chassis ground, and to the battery terminal, it's insulated. Then to the rheostat, headlights, tail, and park. So the switch is not shorted to ground. Tone, no tone. Completes the test of continuity to ground. Next test is parking light function. With a switch connected to a fully charged battery, battery showing 12.84 volts. Parking light function. First position, parking lights, is indicated by the tail lights being on and the front parking lights. Also the dash light comes on at this time. Next function test would be head and tail light function. Here we're going to see the headlights come on and the front parking lights come off. Headlights, tail lights, dash lights, and off. Next test we'll be conducting is the dash light rheostat. For this test we will dim the lights and put it in a park position so you can better see the dash lights become bright and dim. First position, park position. Dash lights are at the maximum brightness. Rotating rheostat down, and we can see the bulb glow. We can see the bulb dim to the off position. On, dim, brighter, maximum brightness, and off. Next test we'll be conducting is a dome courtesy light function. We have an indicator light shows us that the dome lights are now turned on. The switch made a complete connection to ground for this circuit. Off, on. This completes the run-up test. The 1959-1960 Cadillac headlight switch. Serial number HS4242020. Rebuild and service available.